What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to restore the 1985 Jordan 1. I mean, guys, look at these. These are crazy clean, but guess what? We're going to make these look super awesome. So yeah, take a look. So the first thing you need to do when handling the sneakers is unlace them. Now once you have the laces, be very careful with them because they can rip very easily. All you need to do to clean them is throw them in the washing machine. Okay, so the next part is to make sure you're wearing gloves. You don't want to get any additional dirt onto the shoe, especially this shoe right here. Usually with other shoes it doesn't matter, but this is a very special and old shoe, so I wear gloves. And then also just take shoe trees. You can get them on Amazon for literally like $20. It helps the original shape of the shoe. So yeah, just put these in. Helps the shape of the shoe. Put them in for both. And you're good to go. Alright, so what you're going to need to clean the shoes is a sneaker solution, the soft brushes, firm brushes, and you're going to end up needing a toothbrush. So the first thing I do is I just scrub the entire shoe. Now I'm very careful with it, but I'm taking the soft brush and I'm going at the bottoms, I'm going at the sides, and I'm going at the midsoles. I'm doing every part of the shoe, and then I finally put it under water and I dry it. So the next part may look a little weird. I'm taking leather cleaner and water and I'm mixing it together and I'm just literally massaging the shoe because since the shoe is from 1985, it's pretty firm. It needs to be loosened up. Alright, so now we're back at it. We're cleaning the shoe, but this time we're taking the firm brush and we're going at the bottoms, the midsoles, and the uppers. Look at the difference already. For this next part, all you're going to need is Clorox bleach and the toothbrush. Now all you're going to do is we're going to try to make the tongues of the Jordan 1s pure white again. Alright, now just place them in the sun and let them dry. So take the insoles and use the soft brush and clean the shoe. Now get the footprints out of both insoles before you place back in the shoe. So now take scissors and cut off the tiny strings that may be attached to the shoe just from old age or wear. Alright, so we're going to be doing a process called icing. So all you're going to need is some Salon Care 40 and put the Salon Care 40 in a tub. Take the paintbrush and go at the midsole. After you go at the midsole with the Salon Care 40, take Saran wrap and wrap the entire shoe with it. Alright, finally, place them in the working UV icebox. Now let's see how they turn out. Hey, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Guess what? If you guys are interested in purchasing the 1985 Jordan 1 Chicagos that I have right here, these are US men's 11. They're going to be on my Instagram at Scott_resale. So if you want them, DM me on Instagram or message me on the back end of my channel. And guess what? I'll get back to you and we can work out a deal. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.